Hi guys, this is Miss Galloway, and I'm just going to record a quick little tutorial on how to download a document from Google Docs and how to upload it on Microsoft Forms, which is how you're going to turn in your MongoDB to me. So first of all, I hope that you can hear me pretty well. I've got a headset on right now, and I'm kind of hoping that that drowns out the sounds of the birds outside. I've got my windows open, so let me know if it's distracting. But beyond that, okay, so this is, right now you should be able to see my Google Doc here. I'm not going to like put up a full DBQ because number one, I don't want you to copy it, and number two, that's not what I'm trying to do here. So once you're done with your DBQ, you've typed it up, you've cited your sources, you've done all the things that I've asked you to in the previous post. What I'm going to ask that you do is first do me a favor. See right here where it says untitled document? I want you to give it a name, and do me a favor. I want you to use your last name as the first thing in your file name, okay? Part of this is because what's going to happen is when you upload things to, let's see here, let me finish it up for you. Galloway MongoDBQ. What's going to happen is when you upload your file into the form, it's going to drop it into a folder for me. So I'll be able to read over it and grade it and see how you're doing in terms of content. But unless you have put your name on your document somewhere, I won't know whose it is. I mean, I'll have that information on the form that you upload it to, but it would be very, very helpful if you also included it on the file, just so I can see it very quickly. It also wouldn't be a bad idea to include a header, so you would have okay, and then I can easily see what I'm dealing with in terms of your document. Now, once you finish writing your full essay, here's what you're going to do. You've given your file a title, and now you are going to save the document. The way you're going to do this is you are going to download it for me. I do not want you to just share the document with me. A lot of times when you guys do that, you forget to give me editing privileges, and then I have to request permissions, and then if you don't respond to me, then I can't get access to the document. So you're going to download this document. You're either going to download it as a document file, a docx for Microsoft Word, or if you're on an Apple or you're on your phone, it might be easier for you to download it as a PDF. PDFs can usually be opened on any sort of device, tablets, phones, your computer, no problem. So if you download it as a PDF, I 100% will be able to read it, no problem. So you're going to download it, and I'm going to download this as a PDF, okay? So you give it a moment, and it should pop up here in the browser that it is downloaded as a PDF. Now, you want to make sure that you've got access, this is what it'll look like, that you've got access to it in a minute. You're going to want to be able to share it with me. So if you go up here to this little button that says download and click on that again, you can download it to a particular place on your computer or on your phone. You can download it to the desktop. For me, I have a bunch of different files that I try to keep things really organized in, but wherever you download it, make sure that you know where it's going. So sometimes people like to keep things in their downloads file. I don't. I find that really difficult, but come up with a place where you want to download it to. For me, I'm just going to download it to the desktop proper. Okay, I have now downloaded it to the desktop proper, so if I go here to my desktop, excuse me while I pass through all of these things, I should be able to find it. Ah, there it is. There's my DBQ. So now what I'm going to do is I've downloaded the DBQ as a PDF, and now I'm going to submit it on the form. Now, I can't show you where the form link is on the blog post, because if I do that, I'll have to make the blog post live online, and it'll send out notifications, and I don't want to do that because today is Sunday and you guys don't have to be doing this until tomorrow on Monday. So what you're going to do is once you click on the form to submit your DBQ, it will ask you to log on with your Office 365. I'm already logged on. See, it recognizes me right here, but it's going to prompt you to log on. Your log on is your first name dot your last name at students, that's plural students, dot cobk12.org. Okay, if you have any difficulty logging on, please let me know immediately. Send me a remind, chat with me on the live stream. Okay, whatever it is, we need to get that taken care of. All right. You can also you can find out your Office 365 by going to your Synergy Student View, I believe. So log on to get to the form, and then I'm going to clarify, and I'm going to ask you to tell me your last name, and then I'm going to ask you to tell me your first name. And then I'm going to ask you to upload a file. Okay? When you upload a file, it's going to just prompt you to find a file to upload. This is where you have to remember where you saved it. So I saved mine to the desktop, and now I'm going to go find it, and there it is. I'm going to hit open, and it will upload the file. Now, here's the deal. If for whatever reason you don't have a word processing option, you don't necessarily have access to Google Docs or something like that, you could always write the essay by hand and take a picture of it. And if you take a picture of it, you can upload it here. You can upload multiple files this way. So if you need to take a picture of the first page of your essay and then the second page of your essay, we can do it this way. So at any rate, I hope this was a helpful tutorial. Once you've done all of this, then what you need to do is hit submit, and it will tell you that it's submitted. At this point, you're done for the day. I know today's work was kind of a lot because you're writing an essay, but we had been working on this for a couple of days prior to the announcement that they were going to close school meetings. So we do need to finish this up. Tomorrow's work will be a lot shorter and a lot more straightforward. So just bear with me today and we'll get through it. Okay, guys? Talk to you later. Bye.